Now, tool number 5 is going to be the online course platform. So many of you want to create courses, and I don't blame you because courses are where people want more information from you. You can create small digital, low dollar digital products that actually address one problem. But our online course goes in more in depth in helping people with major transformation. So, choosing an online course platform is really important, right? And so you're going to need this because it's going to deliver your digital products in a course format from an enhanced learning experience, meaning that it takes them step by step by step in a course and takes them gives them more transformation, and you can actually track your student progress and their engagement as they go through the course. So having a course platform is going to be essential as well as you build your digital product suite. Now, again, if you're only interested in one or two simple low dollar digital products, then maybe you're not ready for a course. But as you grow in your business, as you grow with, the impact that you want to make in other people's lives, then the course is probably going to be the next step for you. So, the course platform tool that I'm going to recommend, there are two. You can use Payhip or you can use System IO to do this, right? And the recommended price point is between $0 to $97 a month. You can do all of this inside of both platforms for $0. $0. So if you want to go with System IO, you can create a course there. Or if you want to go with Payhip, you can create a course there. Now, for me, my membership is ran through System IO. So everything that when you join Coach Simplify Academy, is inside of System IO. I just finished putting a course together for a client of mine, and her course is in Payhip. Okay. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to share with you how to create your first lesson inside of Payhip for a course. Okay. So let me share my screen again. Let me make sure I get my products, my Payhip together. Get y'all ready. And let me share my screen again. All right. So now that we're back in Payhip, now you remember you have all these different choices that you can do. Let me do this type of. Yeah, you got different choices. So we're going to build a course. So we're going to click here. We're going to name that course testing this course. That's the name of my course. And we're going to add a course, right? And now we're ready for our first lesson. Okay. So I like to name this first section, and I'm going to say this is the start here. Or you can say introduction. Okay. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to add our first lesson. Now it's going to give us this, our first lesson. I'm going to call it module. No, I'm going to name it welcome. I'm going to do the welcome. I'm going to do it here, right? And so we're going to hit check. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to open it up. So you saw, let me go back to that because I know I did that fast. We're going to click on the word welcome. And we're going to, this is the name of that lesson. And it gives us a different type of lesson, right? Do we want it to be a video lesson? Do we want it to be a text lesson? Maybe it's a quiz. So you can do a quiz after they've gone through maybe several modules. You can add a quiz at the end. Is it going to be an assignment or a survey that they need to fill out? Maybe you need to get them to fill out a survey so you can get a little bit more idea of where they are in their business or in their life, or it could be just a download. But for our case, we're going to do like a full, like, text with video inside of it, right? So like a full module. So I'm going to select text and you'll see why. And so by text, I'm going to write what I'm going to write. So I'm just going to put some gibberish right now. Write more information about the module here. I might misspell some things. And then I'm going to put a video right here. So what I love about this, it gives us an option to insert an image. So maybe this is this text with image, like an enhanced blog post, or it can be a video, or it can be a link here, but I'm going to put a video. And what I love about this is that I can go to YouTube and I can embed a video. So let's do that real quick. And I'm just going to grab any video. Um, let's see. I'm trying to find one that's a little short that won't take, but it won't matter if it's long. So let's do this one. And you will upload your video to YouTube and you can make it unlisted so only you can see it, or you can upload a video, but that does require you to I can't get my words out. It does require you to upgrade your PayPal account, but using YouTube and putting it unlisted, I think that's fine, right? So I want to embed it. So I'm going to grab the embed code. I'm just going to hit copy. And then I'm going to go back to, let me close out these other pages. Yep, let's close that one out. And let's close that out. And so we're going to go back to our course and we're going to paste that embed code in there. And we're going to hit insert. And as you can see, that video is in there. And then if you need to continue to write what you need to write, you will continue to write more description about the course, about this module here, right? There we go. And then we will hit publish lesson, or we can make this a free preview lesson. Now that is big. So if you're trying to entice people to sign up and you want them to see what they're going to get inside the course, like a sneak peek, you can get this as a preview. So this can actually be a lesson that they can see without paying for it. You can make this lesson a prerequisite, meaning that they have to watch this video or this lesson before they move on to the next. Okay. You can enable the discussion, you can remove margins, etc. But we're going to go ahead and publish this lesson, and then we're going to hit save changes. And then we are going to hit preview. So you can see what this lesson looks like. You can see what the current lesson looks like. You can see all the lessons together. So if you have multiple lessons, or you can see this course as a student would see it. So let's click that. So we can see it as a student would see it. And this is what they will see. They will see, the name of your course. They will see the different modules if we have added all the modules. And then they will actually be able to play this training right inside of the course. You see? So the more modules you have, the more this makes it a course. Okay. All right. So that is how you would create your course using Payhip. So simple, step by step.